Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for helping me reach over 350 subscribers. And today we're going to have a look inside this Kelton subwoofer by Panasonic. I've got one of the speaker drivers out of it. This is my second one. And I managed to fix up this speaker here with a nice dust cap on it. And I glued the weather stripping down a little bit. I know it's not really the best, but still it's real good though. You got the part number on there if you want to screenshot that now. And yeah. So yeah guys, let's do it, eh? I'm gonna do something real quick. Right. Start off, this actually has a passive. This is actually a passive unit. So, to start off with, we're actually going to remove these screws from here. That ain't going to work. No. That ain't going to work, guys. Sorry. I will have to remove these screws by hand. Let me pause it and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, I got these screws removed. I just have to take this whole assembly off. If I can do that. Of course. Let's get a hammer out. Just help do it. So actually make it a bit faster. These things can be a bit of a struggle as well, they can be. I haven't taken one of these units apart in a long time. Alright. Go. That's the unit taken off. Right. I got the actual unit here as well. Yeah, it's still recording. I can see in a reflection whether it's recording or not. Still, it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and take these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Put these on an ordinary speaker like that. And yeah. Got the gasket on there as well, hanging off. You got the passive radiator. And got that unit in there as well. Nice. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. There you go, there it is. It's the unit itself. It's in really good condition as well, to be honest. Look at that. Positive wire disconnected. There we go, and that's the unit itself, right there. Very nice. Also got a passive radiator as well, which I don't think we need the weather seal on this. Yes, this is a teardown. Goes on like that, around the edge like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have got another one of these around somewhere, but I don't know whether it's being used anymore. Nice. That's cool. Especially called a Kelton subwoofer. I know it's a weird name, but what you gonna do about it? Probably gonna find another one of these or something at some point. Oh, it looks funny in there. It looks funny in there, guys. Guys, look at this. This actually looks quite funny. They stretched out woofer in there instead of the original woofer. We'll just need to get a dust cap for that woofer, and then that's it. You'll be good. You'll be sweet. Look at that. It looks pretty funny. I actually put the foam on this myself. The rubber surround. It's a Panasonic sub. So yeah. It's pretty good though. Decent type of subwoofer there. Alright. We've got the big terminal as a positive, we've got the small one as a negative. Good. Screws. Huh. I don't even know how I put the screws now, guys. Just lost them. Other than that, put the passive radio on there. You're done. But where's a battery? Where's... Ah, I got some batteries up here. I got a couple of 9 volts. I got 3 of them out of 4. Put them together like that. This is gonna be funny. Alright guys, you watch the passive radiator go doof 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 all the time. Watch real closely then, guys. To the outside. It's not even working. Okay. Try another battery. Okay. Alrighty. Well, these are the batteries I normally tend to use. Energizer Max batteries. They are mismatched from a recycle bin, but still, they're pretty good. Damien, stop it. But yeah. That's pretty much what's inside the Kelton subwoofer, guys. From this one to that one. And actually, I'll tell you guys that the same woofers. This one has a new dust cap on it though, but put that one to the side. That's the one we took a long time ago. And put that one there. 2 of them. Yes. This one looks a lot more fresher to me. Kelton subs. They're pretty good. Also, guys, I forgot to show you on this one here. Look at the terminal. Seriously. Come on, audio button. Really? Screw-on terminals? Are you serious? I hate screw-on terminals. It's so bad. I mean, look at them. Like, I don't even know if it's actually a dual voice coil or what. I don't even know. It's a Fire series too. Nice. This one actually reminds me of a Zero Flex subwoofer because of the surround. It's like bumped up. It's cool though. It's cool and all. If you look at the basket as well, wow. It looks ultimately cool. And got these speakers here. So the woofer in there I'm actually going to replace with something like this, but I'm mentioning that because I got a dust cap just like this. It will actually fit on this one just fine. So yeah, before and after. This one's pretty stiff, and so is this one as well, but still, that'll do the trick. 250 watts speakers, I doubt that, but seriously. They're pretty cool though. And I will do a speaker collection video when I get up to 400 subscribers. I'll definitely remember that. And yeah. Still water's running deep. And there, yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Whole bunch of stuff. Literally. I got these Sony speakers here. I got a bunch of these little satellite speakers. Cute little ones. Got some up top as well. The center channel, which the stand broke off. I did have a subwoofer, which is around here somewhere, guys. Behind this unit here is the subwoofer. Behind this speaker here. Let's take that out. Yeah, the amplifier in there. Got a hole in the side for the Logitech sub. Slightly bigger one though, but yeah. This amplifier is more dangerous to the old speakers. There's a 100 watt amp, I think, I don't know. Or 30 watt amp. I also got the original one, which actually used to be like this until it became like this. So yeah. Oh, also, this subwoofer I saved from an enclosure before I threw it out. It's actually a really decent subwoofer, actually. It's got a lot of excursion on it. I have to do an excursion test on it at some point this year or next year or in January. And look at the magnet too. Indonesia. Sony. 1-505-232-11. Indonesia. And that down there, I think it's 645F. I don't exactly know for sure, but yeah, it's a decent sub though. 6.5-inch speakers. I only had one of these, but still, it's awesome. That concludes today for this video, guys. If you did enjoy that teardown about that speaker there, because I didn't tend to use it that much, but I will do a speaker collection video of all the speakers I have, literally including, I was about to say including the Kelton subwoofer, but no. I just torn that down in this video, but okay. I got some old 6x9 speaker boxes up here as well, which I will throw on sale. Oh, I got another speaker up here too. Cool. Might take those apart in the next video. So until then, stay safe, guys. Thanks for watching.